Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. I can't believe we only have 2 weeks left of the quarter before we switch to completely new classes. I wanted to make this video for you because not only are we almost done with the quarter, but we are actually going into level 2 this week, which means some of you will be on campus starting tomorrow. So because of this, our way of learning is shifting. And I know that that can be very unnerving and can give a lot of you anxiety, nerves, or just complete, like, I don't know what's happening. So I want to make this video, hopefully clearing it up for some of you. I did send an email, but oftentimes it's easier just to hear it because there's more explaining. So tomorrow we start on-campus learning, which means Group A will be here on Tuesday, B will be Wednesday, C is Thursday, and D is Friday, and we have a group of distance learning only. To find out what group you're in, you guys can find that on Infinite Campus. If you're having a very hard time with it, you can email me and I will look it up for you. But that will designate which day you come to school. The other days, you are essentially in distance learning, what we've been doing this whole time. However, because I have classes now in person every day, there's no time to hold Zoom meetings like we've been doing, right? We've been going to Zoom twice a week for 1 hour, but that's not going to be easy to do when there's kids in class every single day. I have up on the screen here our new schedule. This is our schedule for level 2. Right? You can see we have passing periods, we have lunch because we're back on campus. So the schedule that you knew before, right, that our class was from 10 to 11 or 11:30 to 12:30 is no longer. We're getting closer and closer to going back to school. So this is our new schedule. So note, please, that period 1 does not start at 10 anymore. It starts at 9:15. Here's where it's going to get a little tricky. This is what I emailed you. If you are a group A, on Tuesday, you're going to come to school at your period, right? This is for all of my classes. This is period 1, 3, and 5. So if you're group A, you're going to be in my room at our period. So let's say you're one of my ERWC students. I'm going to see you in our classroom, room 211, from 10:20 to 11:15 on your one day. On your other days that you're not in school, or if you're a completely distance learning option student, these are still the times of our class. Okay, you're still going to log on to Zoom. You're going to be a part of our class. I'm going to have the Zoom going up on the projector so that you can see what we're doing. You can hear the lesson. You can gain what you need in order to help you with your assignments. Typically, before this, we were only teaching on 2 days, right? And the rest of the days, it was kind of just up to you to understand what was going on and to reach out. But since we're in level 2 now, we're going back more to traditional schooling, where every day the lesson keeps moving, right? So even if I see you on Monday, we're going to do something different on Tuesday. And that's why you need to be in the Zoom meeting. So for my period 1 sophomores, here's what I expect. Every day from 9:15 to 10:20 on Tuesdays and Thursdays, you are either in the classroom, right, on your designated day, or you're on your laptop in our Zoom meeting. Period 3, my seniors in ERWC, on your day, you're going to be in class from 10:20 to 11:15. On the 3 days that you're not in school, you're going to be logging into our Zoom meeting and being in our class virtually. Period 5 sophomores, same thing. Your day at school, I'll see you at the very end of the day from 11:45 to 12:40. The days you're not on campus, you're logging into our Zoom meeting from 11:45 to 12:40. So to simplify this for you, think that every day in our 55-minute time period, you're with us. You're either in class or you're with us online. This is the easiest way for you guys to keep up. It's an hour every day now, but it's going to enable you to do your homework, right? To ask your questions every day. I'm still going to hold office hours for you if you need it, but that's only if you're coming to the Zooms and you still need help. If for some reason you can't attend a Zoom meeting on one of your distance learning days, you can still watch the recording. I'm still going to record the Zooms and put them into Schoology. However, You need to watch the recording before you ask me for clarification help. The point of having you all on Zoom is to alleviate all of the stress at home. When you're trying to do an assignment that you don't know how to on your own, that's why I'm having you come to Zoom. So hopefully this makes sense to everybody. I'm going to now transition into where you can find the links. This is my period 1 class. Period 1, if you go under your night folder under week 8, here's your Zoom link. Okay, this is the same link every single day. So you never need to find the right one. You just need to click on this at 9:15, Tuesday through Friday. Okay, it's right here. Here's your password. Seniors, for our ERWC course, it's under week 8, and here is your Zoom link. Every day at 10:20, you're clicking this link with our password. And finally, sophomores, period 5, under week 8, right under the calendar, you'll see the link, 11:45 to 12:40 with your password. You're clicking on this every day that you're not in school. So that's how our last 2 weeks of class are going to go. It's going to be bumpy in the beginning, but don't fear, it's going to be fine. And I'm happy to work out all of these kinks and errors with you before we move into quarter 2. We already know each other, so let's figure it out before we switch into new teachers.